how to add your house name on Google Map. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your house name on Google Map. So let's get started. First of all, open the application of Google Maps and then you gotta navigate, search for your location. And then after that, you gotta click on this icon over here at the right. So once you do so, you gotta click on satellite so that you'll be able to see a better view. And you can simply select your house location. Let's say it's this one over here. So what you gotta do is simply click on it, like you'll be able to see this red icon appear. And then what you gotta do is click on contribute over here. Once you do so, you gotta click on add place. So first of all, you gotta type in the name. So I'm gonna type in name AI plus more house, and then you gotta add category. So you can select whether it's a restaurant, a shopping center, or something else. In our case, it's residential, so I'm gonna click on it, and then you gotta select whether it's apartment building, apartment complex, flat complex, whatever. In our case, it's apartment building, so I'm gonna select that, and then you gotta type in the exact address. So you can simply type in the exact address of your location, and then you gotta click on edit map location and make sure that the pointer is at the right place. And then you gotta select located within. If your house or your flat is located within any apartment or building, then you can select that over here. Once done, you can simply hit over, click on submit if you wish to add any phone number or like if you have any kind of service that you're offering. So you can type in your phone number, ours, website, or anything else to help Google verify this place with photos. After that, click on submit and you're good to go. So that is how you can add your house name on Google Maps. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.